doesn't really improve the digestive function. So in long run, you just take drugs. And unfortunately, many of us had problems even before menopause. So once we step into menopause, everything kind of get worse. A lot of people drink too much coffee, too much alcohol, or some immune system problems. All will damage our digestive function. And for Western medicine, they have medicine for each symptoms. The problem often is they often just attack the symptoms, doesn't really improve the digestive function. Many of us tried healthy foods, home remedies, different diets, try to improve our digestion, but didn't seem to work very well. Why is it? Hi, I'm Dr. Wang. Today's topic is digestion during menopause. I have a simple question for you. How do we know we have good digestion? What is the definition? To me, is very simple one thing you're looking at, your bowel movement. If you can have normal bowel movement daily without much help, there's three things. So normal bowel movement, that means you have tube shape, light brown, without much effort. You can have 1 to 2 times a day, and also daily. That means not 1 day or 2 days. You're really, generally speaking, daily. Without much help, that means no laxatives, probiotics, supplements, of course, no drugs. You can have this. That means you have pretty good digestion, because this simple thing needs your whole digestive system work together very well to get. And unfortunately, many of us had problems even before menopause. So once we step into menopause, everything kind of get worse. So what caused digestive problem? We have a lining instead of whole digestion organs, include our stomach, our intestine, everything. And this lining is called a mucosa. So it's kind of protect our organs by too much acid, too much spicy, everything attacked us, inflammation, bacteria. But many things could make it wrong. The number one cause is chronic stress. They cause too much acidity. Acid really will erode our mucosa. And also, of course, bacteria. A lot of people drink too much coffee, too much alcohol, or some immune system problems. All will damage our digestive function. And for Western medicine, they have medicine for each symptoms. The problem often is they often just attack the symptoms, doesn't really improve the digestive function. So in long run, you just take drugs, calm down, for example, the acid, reflux, it just doesn't help your own function. So when we have all these heartburns, acid reflux, stomachache, diarrhea or constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, all these problems are caused by many reasons. If you don't improve your digestive function, doesn't matter what kind of drugs you take, you either take the rest of your life or you take some other drugs to get rid of the side effect with the first drugs, there is no good solution for you. On the other hand, many of us tried healthy foods, home remedies, different diets, try to improve our digestion, but didn't seem to work very well. Why is it? Because once you feel the stomach pain, that means your lining probably was broken a while ago. And that could even develop like ulcer, much more serious problem. So by simple healthy foods, maybe not the right treatment. We, at this point, need targeted treatments to get you better, improve your digestion. So today I'm going to share with you a few Chinese medicine powerful remedies. Let's get started. Number one is not Chinese, is one of the supplements I use for all the digestive problem patients. It's L-Glutamine, 500 milligrams, 3 times to 4 times a day. 3 times is 1 each time before the meal. If you could take 1 more time, 500 milligrams before that time, is better. So 3 to 4 times a day, L-Glutamine. This is good for help our stomach lining. This is the one supplement. It's so simple, not expensive. It works amazing. The second thing is 4 acupoints. I was gonna show the 2 on the hands, and I have a special video to show you the other 2 on the leg. 2 on the hands. One of the most powerful point on the wrist is called a 内关. It's basically you find your line, crease between your hand and arm, and put your 3 fingers on that, and the next one it is. This point, a while ago, many company made a little band, help you nausea, for the airplane, for the seasick. Actually, all has the little button on the wristband to press this 内关 point. It's very, very powerful if you have a little nausea, stomach a little upset or queasy. This is so powerful. You make sure you press on both sides. The other one is called a 合谷. You put your 2 fingers together, the highest point. Use the other finger to press it. Don't forget to look at our special video to find the points correctly. And I will show you how to use different tools to press those points also. The third thing is the Chinese little massage. The massage is very simple, and you put 2 hands, one on the other, right below your bell button. So clockwise, massage it. You better do it when you're lying down, because when you lie down, your stomach kind of is one in a little bit, is not bulging out, and you have hard time to give a pressure. Do as hard as you can and do as many times as you can, because you can really massage so many points around your abdominal area to help your digestion. Also, it's very, very good for constipation. There is a old saying, if you do 100 times of this massage, you don't need to take laxatives. So give it a try. Last, I'm going to introduce 2 very useful remedies. Combine herbs and foods together. If your tongue look like this, white, reddish, a yellow coating, often irritable and constipated, take 4 things: mung beans, chrysanthemum, goji berries, and the rosebuds. Put them together, make a tea, cook them to a tea. So you cook usually 20-30 minutes and drink maybe 2 to 3 times a day. Also, I have a freebie called the Digestion during Menopause. So check out the dosage, how to cook it, everything is in detail. But if your tongue looks like this, whitish, swollen, teeth mark, and sticky and a whitish coating, you want to use other things like soybeans, barley, find a good barley, millets, and put a couple of slices of ginger. Cook like a soy milk and drink it through the day. Try 7 days. For this, you have different tongues, try different remedies for 6-7 days. You will see big difference. But if your tongue like this, like a featured tongue, has a little kind of a gulp in the middle, or part of the coating peeled, all these other things on your tongues, maybe you should sign up with my one-to-one consultation. That means you have a little bit worse problems with your digestion. And also, don't forget to sign up our freebies. Check out all the remedies in details, especially the acupoints. See you next time. Next time, we're going to talk about weight loss. See you then.